Healthcare industry is a need and necessity at the same time. Hello everyone, I am Neha, back again with another insightful session. Healthcare industry is contributing very significantly in well-being, economic growth of nation and personalized patient care. And there is no doubt that it improves the quality of life, drives innovation and also contributes to the overall well-being of individuals and societies. As this industry is the most demanding one, their customers somewhere feel the lack of interactions and engagements. Also, maintaining and securing data of thousands of customers becomes very complex, which leads to leak of private details and mismatched data. It is very important to maintain the patient's history for building long-term personalized relations, but many fail to do this. After all, no one will compromise their health at any cost. Salesforce Health Cloud has answers to all these challenges. Let's see how. It makes it possible to collect valuable data and analytics that can be used to improve the service provided to the customers. It integrates patients' data, enabling their access only to providers and patients what they need. It also provides customer-centric solutions that improves the way medical personnel interact with patients before, during and after the care, which helps to build personalized care. Health Cloud overviews a complete patient view with real-time reports and data availability at one place at any given time, which helps to expand their reach and growth. Got your answers that personalization matters in healthcare industry as well? If not, then connect with us today to drive your business with the right and accurate set of tools and services, and stay tuned for more such videos.